Okay, YouTubers, here it is. Can you get the flashlight for me? Now, this is the new baby. Spot only had one baby. And there it is. And the baby looks just like Spot. He or she is black with a white spot on his chest, just like Spot. But the only thing I'm worried about is she's not feeding the baby. I was born like about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Here is now almost 8 o'clock in the afternoon. And she's not feeding the baby or nothing. She was laying with it after it was born. But now she's like just ignoring it. She's right by it, but she's not doing nothing when it's crying. So can anybody help me with any suggestions on what to do? Yes, the other kitties wanted to see the baby too. So the other kitties are seeing the baby. Yeah. But can you please help me and give me any suggestions, please? Because I don't want the baby to die, and I don't know if she's going to reject it, or maybe since this is new to her, maybe she don't know how to feed it. Or maybe she's confused. So can somebody give me any ideas? Thank you very much. Okay, bye. And share this if you like this. Okay, thank you. Bye.